Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be covering the top 3 potential altcoins to buy if we continue to dip as we've been dipping here for the past few weeks. So obviously the market is up about 1.4% here on the 24-hour chart. We have our top gainer, Decentralized Social, which is up about 60%. Highest volume is obviously going to be Bitcoin here at 25.9 billion in volume, Ethereum at 16.1 billion. So pretty much the usual. We see, Bitcoin's up about 0.8%. It was up a little bit higher and then took a little bit of a pullback here going into Monday morning. And then obviously Ethereum up about 2%, trading at around 24.56 right now. Altcoins are all over the place. Some of them are green, some of them are red. It all depends which one we're looking at. They all had kind of like a pump over Sunday and then a little bit of a pullback going into Sunday night into Monday. So obviously we see, they're either up about 1% or 2 or down about 1% or 2 with some outliers like Cosmos, which is up 14%, Cryptocom 8%, Near Protocol is down 6%, Phantom's up over almost 8% down here, and many other ones on that list as well. So cryptos are all over the place. We're seeing a little bit of green, a little bit of red, but overall on the 7-day chart here, crypto bubbles are looking very, very red. Once again, just like the previous video we made, I do not see like any green bubbles on this screen. Everything seems to be in the red here. So everything has been taking a beating in the past 7 days. Things are on a downtrend. We see a big one here sticking out for me, Sandbox here. Obviously, in the past month, we're down 50%, guys. That is insane to see on Sandbox. It's making a huge pullback here. Another one, obviously, being here, Decentraland. This is one of our, long-term potential holds that I have actually in my portfolio myself, as a disclosure right there. And I believe I bought it around $4 or so. So we're actually down pretty heavily here, down about 44% or so in the past week. And it seems to be the same pattern with most coins. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 40 plus likes in this video. It helps the channel grow. As always, subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. So first altcoin on this list is going to be Cryptocom CRO. So CRO has taken a huge beating from the top where it was trading, guys, close to about $1, I believe was the all-time high. We hit lows down here of under 30 cents at one point, which is insane. Here in the past 24 hours, obviously, we're making a little bit of a pull or comeback. We're up about 8%, trading at 37 cents. In the past week, we're down about almost 20% with lows at around 30 cents or so down here. Massive pullback on, crypto coins, I guess you could say, cryptocurrency in general. So in the past month, we went from 69 cents all the way down here to 33 cents, over a 50% cut from the all-time high area, but down about 39% on the 1 month overall. And then on the 1 year chart, we're still up 406% from about 7 cents last January. We hit highs here at first in April at 24 cents, pulled back down to about 10 cents, and then, huge pump here from 19 cents in October all the way to highs of about $1 in November around Thanksgiving. And since Thanksgiving, it's just been on a pullback, lower and lower. So obviously, there's a 200% upside potential right there, 2x opportunity, over a 2x opportunity to get to the all-time high area. Could be a great opportunity to buy the dip. Obviously, we've seen it in the past here from 24 cents to lows down here of 8 cents, and then a rocket all the way up to about $1. So this one could, show some opportunities. It bounced off of that little support area, not a big support, just a little one here of 30 cents or so, 33 cents. That's literally exactly where we bounced off of just now. So this could be a nice bounce if the market reverses and starts to trend on the upside. So market cap 9.3 billion right now. Volume is at 169.9 million, down about 23% lower than usual. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be 41 days. It is ranked the number 16 coin on the ranking list, so it's dropped, dramatically. 71% buy activity, 29% sell activity. If you're not familiar with Crypto.com, it is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrencies while receiving cashback rewards. And we all love our cashback rewards, obviously. It gives us an incentive to spend pretty much, even when you don't want to spend. You're like, oh, well, I could get a little bit of cash back on this, so it's not going to hurt that much, even though in reality, you're losing in overall. So Crypto.com right here, definitely an interesting one, especially if we continue to dip as the market cap continues to go lower and lower. We were trading at around a 30 billion market cap. Now we're at around a 10 billion market cap. Huge sale, in my opinion, and something we're going to be watching in the future. So Crypto.com coming in the number 1 spot. Number 2 is going to be XRP, also known as Ripple. So Ripple here, obviously we're watching that case, the court hearing, everything, happening. When will it be solved and resolved? Who knows, really? It's going to take a while, probably, and pretty much that's why this one took a beating, even during the bullish market last year. But right now, everything is taking a beating. So obviously, this one's up 2.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 61 cents. In the past week, we're down 20%, hitting lows at around 56 cents or so. Past month, we're down 37%. Past year, we're only up 123%. So we were trading at 27 cents here at the beginning of the year, hit highs at around 184, almost $2 up here. Pulled back down with the market, came back up, traded here, and then obviously November, everything just started downtrending, and we're here at a support level that we were pretty much trading in the summer of 2021. So that's where we're trading at right now. A long way away from all-time highs, obviously, about a 6x opportunity right there to get the all-time high area. 29.1 billion market cap, 1.8 billion in volume, which is about 50% less than usual. So right here, Ripple, as you guys can see, Ripple is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple Payment Network, built for enterprise use. XRP aimed to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the XRP Ledger, which supports international cryptocurrency currency exchange and remittances. XRP can function as a bridge currency in transactions involving different currencies such as US dollars, Japanese yen, euros, francs, and others in the use of the XRP network. So very interesting how Ripple will, start to perform once all of this negativity is behind it and potentially another bullish market comes back, as we are in bearish territory right now. Huge pullback in the crypto space. We've lost a lot of market value overall. So, that was hard to earn and easy to lose right there in the past month and a half or two. So Ripple is going to be our second coin. And then our third coin on this list is going to be Phantom FTM. So this one up about 8% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $2.13. In the past week, we're down 32% with lows of under $1.81 here. Past month, it's still up 12% with the all-time high area up here at around 336. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, we're up 3,708% from lows of 5 cents last year, hitting 92, pulling back to about 18, and then a rally all the way up to about $3 or something. And then now breaking through all-time highs once again at around 348 here in January, with a pullback in the last week or so of over 30%. So major pullback here, potentially another run up in the future, but right now we are looking for an opportunity for the future, obviously, as it has fallen right now. As we can see, market cap 5.4 billion, but the market cap is obviously a lot higher compared to where it was last year. Volume is at 1.5 billion, and obviously that is about 16% lower than usual. Circulating supply 2.5 billion, which is 80% of the total supply right there, an all-time high, like we said, around that 348 area. Obviously, we hit highs here, pulled back down, like we said, came back up here. Now we're hoping for this to be a bounce, kind of like a support area from the past around this $2 range that we've hit many, many times here, about once, twice, three, four, about 6 times or so, as we can see on this chart. I'm sure it happened even more that we just can't see on the chart exactly, but that seems to be like a decent support around that $2 level. If it goes below that, it's going to go under 150, and then after 150, we go to about $1 down here, $1.10 or so before the next level. So that's going to be our third altcoin, guys, to potentially be watching in the upcoming months. Obviously, cryptocurrencies, we're taking a beating, like we said. Let's take a quick look at the memes, guys. So Dogecoin down here, still trading at 14 cents. Pretty much been trading here over the weekend here with a little bit of up and down, momentum here. Past week, we're down 20%. Past month, 24%. On the 1 year chart, we're still up, obviously, thanks to, the big pump that we saw in January going into the beginning of the year with everything going on last year. It was a crazy year. And, once the SNL show happened and all that, everybody was saying it was time to get out. If you weren't able to get up here out at the top, even here at around 50 cents or so was a great opportunity to get out. But people continue to hold because they're just delusional and do not believe that this is a meme coin, and they continue to hold. And instead of selling at 50 cents, now it's trading at 14 cents, potentially going under 10 cents soon. So crazy times, guys. Then we have Ethereum here, up 2% in the past 24 hours. It's been up and down. I mean, we've literally seen it go up, down, come back up, pull back down. In the past week, we're down 25%. Past month, 40% almost. And then in the 1 year chart, we're up about 76%. So insane what's been going on. I mean, it was a nice rally. We saw huge rally in the beginning of last year, and then a quick drop. Now this one was a nice, slow, gradual upside here, pretty much from the summer all the way up here to about fall, and then from fall we've been slowly, falling down. So this drop was a lot nicer compared to where this one was in May. I mean, literally within about a week we dropped, 50% or so. So that was insane compared to where we are now. Now it's kind of like a nice and slow, slow and steady downtrend. Obviously here in the past week or so, we did see a big drop, but it's still looking okay. 292 billion market cap, 14% of the crypto market space, 80% buy activity and 20% sell activity on this one, with volume being down about 38%. So Ethereum, are there opportunities right now? Yes. Could there be better opportunities in the next few weeks? Potentially. So we're going to be watching very closely. Bitcoin, up almost 1%. I would just say it's trading flat. In the past week, we're down 17%, past month 30%. And then on the 1 year chart, Bitcoin is only up 9%. That is just insane for the risk that you have holding Bitcoin to only be receiving 9%. That's very low in my opinion, obviously. Once again, same as Ethereum, huge run, pull back down quickly, slow and nice and steady run, and then a quicker, pullback here than Ethereum. Right now, 668 billion market cap, 33% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 32% on this one, 78% buy activity, and 22% sell activity. Will we see some news happen this week that could potentially, cause crypto to go up or down? Yes. So obviously we have the Wednesday meeting. Jay Powell is going to be speaking around noon. I think a little bit earlier than noon, actually. And that could be a big catalyst for the crypto market and the stock market. We're going to be watching that very, very closely, depending on what he says about the rate hikes, how many rate hikes we're going to have, how the tapering is going to, go, and all that other information is going to affect what happens with crypto. So we're going to be watching very, very carefully because things could get messy or things could come back around and, go on the upside. So you never know what's going to happen. It could go either way depending on what he says on Wednesday. So stay tuned, guys, to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so you guys can get updated as soon as things happen. Smash that like button for me. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.